Good day, everyone. My name is Solani Baloyi. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I am Solani on Wealth, both on IG and YouTube. Today's topic is insurable interest. And insurable interest is under the large umbrella of the insurance topic that we spoke about before. And just as a recap, we said that insurance is put in place not to put you in a better position than you were before. It's not there to enrich you in any way, but it is there to put you in the same position you were in before an event happened, an event that you insured. It can be an event that you insured, it can be an object that you insured, it can be a person that you insured. So I would like to make quick reference to the lady who is accused of killing 6 people, 5 family members, and also her boyfriend. I think this is a very, very unfortunate situation in the insurance system. It does happen that people act out of criminality to make sure that they get their hands on cash by using the insurance system. And as we can see, it's being dealt with in the criminal justice system. But I would like to suggest that if members of the public, if consumers were honest in giving the full disclosures, and if the insurers on their part would do enough in terms of underwriting, some of these criminal acts would not happen. So this particular case for me is a case of insurable interest. Just because someone is your family member or someone is your boyfriend, from an underwriting perspective, that does not mean that there is insurable interest. Insurable interest would mean in this case that that person is contributing to your livelihood, and therefore their death would negatively impact your livelihood, and therefore that is why you need financial compensation in the form of life insurance. So I think insurance from an underwriting point of view should work very hard to establish insurable interest. If it's just burial costs that somebody needs to cover, I mean, that could be for a small amount that will cover the funeral only. But if it's life cover, I think we need to be honest, both as the consumer and the insurer, in establishing insurable interest. Just because somebody can afford the premium, they should not be granted insurance cover. So I think this is a very, very unfortunate case that is currently underway. And then the other thing that I also wanted to mention is the fact that if there is insurable interest, or if someone is your relative but that person is not working, and you insure to gain financially on their death, I mean, that should also be a red flag. The insured amount should also be in proportion to what that financial contribution is. And we need to insure people according to that financial contribution that they make. Somebody that's not working, somebody that's not contributing substantially, and insuring them for 10, 12 million. I know these ladies' amounts were small amounts, but how much is enough for who? All of that is really relative. So guys, let's be honest and let's not kill each other in the name of insurance, but also insurers need to do more.